Our mission is to reach the world with the message of hope by creating jewelry and gifts of exceptional quality, which will inspire people to express and share their faith. The following video shows the process of creating a sterling silver ring. Each design starts with a concept sketch. Our team of skilled artists are committed to creating unique and inspirational designs. The sketch is then converted to a digital file with exact measurements. A wax carver then sculpts an original based on the specifications from the digital file. The carver begins to form the ring by adding wax with a hot tool and subtracting wax with a file. Once the basic shape of the ring is carved, the details are then added with a sharp razor. The ring is inspected and completed. Casting can now begin. The ring is mounted on a wax base, and a metal cylinder is placed over the wax. Plaster is mixed to make the investment. The plaster is then poured into a cylinder, and once hard, the base is removed. The metal cylinder is placed in a kiln at room temperature. The kiln heats up to 1,350 degrees Fahrenheit. The wax melts away, leaving a cavity in the shape of the ring, which is why this process is known as lost wax casting. The cylinder goes into the machine, and sterling silver casting grain is carefully poured in. The machine melts the sterling silver grain and injects it into the cavity. After the flask has cooled, it is quenched in water. The plaster disintegrates, leaving a silver casting behind. The sprue is then clipped and removed. The polishing process can now begin. First, the ring is blackened through a secret process. The inside of the ring is sanded using two different types of grit. The sanding removes any sharp edges and rough areas, ensuring that the ring will have a smooth, comfortable fit. We then grind the outside of the ring with various specialty wheels. The grinding removes the blackening, leaving the details and lettering exposed. The ring is now ready for polishing. The entire process, from sanding and grinding to final polish, consists of over 25 different steps. The outside is polished with two different compounds. The inside is also polished with two different compounds. For the final polish, the ring is buffed to a brilliant shine. The handmade original is now complete. Each piece is then inspected by hand to make sure that it meets our rigorous quality standards. The ring is then packaged in our signature black box. This one ring went through nearly 100 steps from concept to completion to create a reproduction of a handmade original design.